Good evening po lahat. Welcome again sa channel ng Ricky Rams Hobbies and Collectibles. So unboxing po tayo ng HRO Hybrid NFT trading cards. So DC po to. So ayan po. Includes 2 premium limited edition movie cards. Ayan. So chapter 3 po yan. Chapter 3. And ayan, yung makikita nyo. So ito yung odds. Epic 1 is to packs. Legendary 1 is to 6 packs. Mythic 1 is to 181. Sana makakuha tayo ng Mythic. Legendary meron isa. 8 packs kasi ito. 8 packs, 58 cards, so 10 holo cards. Yan po. Buksan natin. Wala na. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yan. Buksan natin yung 8 cards na pack. Dalawa holo nito. Okay? Wish me luck. Ito yung likod. DC. Yan. Okay. Ganda. Oops, pintahan. Uy! Oh, ganda agad oh. Batman. Pencil. Dr. Fate. Kingdom Come. Orion. Oops, nako. Robin oh. Yan yung kumikinang. Yung coil oh. Ganda. Kumikinang yung foil. Yan. Yan natin. Mamaya natin sleeves yan. Si Shazam. Ay, yan na naman. Si Billy Baxton. Foil din yan. Epic